sorry.
That was way harder than I hit you. Oh, that hurt. It hurts when you have glasses. Man.
I'm sorry.
That felt like AIDS. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Garage. Today, got a pretty cool video for you. We're actually going to be putting some parts on the Integra instead of just stupid bodywork, so this should be a pretty cool one.
Whew.
If you want to come over here,
What you got?
some goodies from D&D.
Ooh, look at that nice box. Got a nice NRG box, another D&D box. I wonder what could be in here. All right.
So first up, box from NRG. This is going to be the short hub for the Integra.
I see it.
Yep.
Just a nice little NRG short hub. Cool. What else you got?
Next up,
Ooh,
got my quick release
nice.
in blue.
So if you couldn't tell, Noah's theme on this car is anodized blue.
Yeah.
Damn, that looks good.
Carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, let's look at that center cap. Shiny.
Now the most exciting part,
Dun dun dun.
the pizza box.
Ooh.
So on this one I went for the black suede with the black stitching, and it's like the 75 mil concave, so nice and deep dish on
Hold that sideways again. Oh yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah, first impressions, this thing feels really nice. Definitely a lot better than the eBay ones that you can break in half.
Yeah, so me and Noah, we've had one real wheel between the two of us, and we've had a bunch of fake ones. So we're pretty used to having like wiggle and a bunch of play and just bad quality.
It's not even that like we bought the fake ones ourselves.
No.
Like we don't like that at all. Just the cars that we bought came with like,
Yeah,
shitty
exactly.
fake ones. So having like an actual nice one, like yeah, it's not like a crazy expensive one like a Nardi or Momo, but this feels like
The
really
quality's
good
there
quality.
still, yeah.
It's totally
100%.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Got to keep that thing clean.
Oh yeah. All right, let's get to installing this stuff then.
Let's do it. All right, so the first step in steering wheel removal, or really anything interior, honestly, anytime you work on your car is probably a good idea. Just disconnect your battery. See how loose Noah's battery is? Oh, I might actually have to use tools. All right, yeah, so Noah's gonna undo that, and then we should be good to start tearing apart the interior, and that way we won't set off an airbag in our face.
Yeah, that sounds like a bad time.
Yeah, no, that doesn't sound like fun at all.
Airbags kind of suck. That's why we're getting rid of them.
Exactly, who needs them?
Yeah, no.
We die like real men.
All right, so the first step on the Integra, you're gonna want to pop off these little panels.
There's actually a step before that, my guy. First step, you wanna make sure your wheel is dead straight.
You're right.
Yep.
All right.
If your wheel's crooked and you put your steering wheel on and you line it up straight and your wheels aren't straight, then you're gonna have a crooked steering wheel.
You're right.
Speaking from experience, kind of sucks. So yeah, just center it out. How are the wheels looking? Yep, that looks pretty straight over here.
Yeah. So on some Integras, it's gonna be a little different because if you have the cruise control, it's gonna be where this like block off little panel is. So you're just gonna have to remove that either way. I don't have the cruise control, so it's just this panel that you can pry out of here. Oh, the next step, so basically what holds the airbag in are two T30 Torx bits. So there's gonna be one on either side. There's actually another little plastic panel on this side. Comes off. I just got myself in the face with my ratchet.
You close?
I thought I hit my glasses.
Oh.
So after you take out those two Torx bits, then the airbag will just pop out. And then you just got a little connector in here. There we go.
Nice. There's
No
an
more
airbag?
rubber. I mean, airbag?
Don't need that. Dude, we should wire this up and send some stuff to the moon.
I agree. Like your ass.
Yep.
Oh! Were you filming?
just completely fell out of the car. I'm a fucking idiot.
So the next step, just this big nut on here. It's a 19 millimeter. One big nut. Just gotta crack that loose.
Yeah, try and hold your steering wheel. This one's gonna take some torque.
I don't know why it doesn't want to.
Oh yeah, usually it would. On hand. Nice. So yeah, those ones are on there. That's the only bolt in this process that's gonna take some force. Now if you're at this step and you haven't lined up your steering wheel, line up your steering wheel, because this is your last chance. Boom. One big nut, and the
you
wheel's
have to
gone.
disconnect that horn as well. I'm pretty sure you get rid of this. Who knows?
Alright, so this next bit, Noah broke it off. You don't have to do that. We realized there's two little Phillips behind it. And that mechanism basically just turns your turn signals on and off with your wheel. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't use those anyways. Oh, it's something for an airbag too. Yeah, we don't need any of that.
We don't really care.
No, we don't even use turn signals, so what's the point?
Yeah, I don't use them, so.
Perfect. Fuck it.
Should have a BMW.
Well, you want an E30.
I do.
Alright, so we had to pop the bezel out, and good thing we did because there's actually 4 screws in this. 4 or 3? 3. 3. So we got one up top, one down low, and one on the far side there.
And then this thing.
And then all this factory bullshit can come out after it's unplugged.
Why is there so many things that go into this?
That does not look factory.
It is.
I know it is, but it doesn't look it. Like that tape looks so bunk.
How does this connector come out?
Just cut it.
Alright, so we got all that mumbo jumbo off.
Yep, all cleaned up.
I don't need this either.
Nope.
And then next is put it on the hub. So on here you actually got a little dot.
Nope, let me see that. Oh yeah, little
And
white
that
dot.
also lines up with the logo, so you just want that to be perfectly straight. Right like that. Although, that's a problem.
What's that?
This just needs to be, because you actually got these little clips that line
Oh,
up
wow.
with those.
Yeah, so there's slots there, and there's...
So you got to get that sideways, get this straight up and down, and then those slots will fit into there.
Yeah, it's tough to get an angle for you guys, but...
Yeah, so those little brass pieces right there lock into those little grooves.
Heck yeah. Oops, sorry.
There we go. And then after that, we can throw a little nutty boy back on.
Yep. Put the big nut back on.
Torque that down to whatever torque spec you feel good about.
You want it to be tight, though. Oh, there goes your hub. Or your steering column. 69 pound-feet.
Yep, at least.
Next up.
Next step, bolting the quick release onto the hub.
Yep. And luckily D&D sent a bag full of hardware with tons of extras and every Allen key you'll need, which is wicked. So
don't need to go and
there
buy
you go.
anything. You get everything in the box.
Exactly. That's how car parts should be. If only all companies could do that. Filming.
To mount the quick release to the hub, you're going to want to use these included bolts.
Oh yeah, so again, you're just lining up the logos to the top. Make sure it says D on D.
This doesn't actually matter.
Doesn't matter at all,
Yes,
but
it
just
is.
for the aesthetics. Oh, does it? Oh, never mind. Alrighty. Ooh. Ah. Like the aesthetic.
All right, next step. So you're gonna pop this part off of the quick release, so we can bolt it onto here.
Matter if you line any of this stuff up or not?
What?
Matter if you line anything up? You just got to get it in there.
Yeah. So basically, you just want the logo to be.
I guess that
facing up,
makes sense.
And that's all you really need. Yep. So for this one, it's actually a nut and bolt, which is a little different.
Yeah, so some of these backing plates, they come threaded and some of them come non-threaded. So on some of them you have to do what Noah's about to do, and on
Yeah.
some of them you can just thread them in kind of like our quick release.
Yeah, so you can just feed the screws in from the bottom and just slide the nuts on.
Then you can tighten them from the front.
Yeah, exactly. And I found this is actually beveled in here, so you don't need to put a wrench on the back. They kind of just hold themselves in place.
Exactly. Anyways, you get the idea. You just got to do this 6 times. So before we guys show you the final trick, we're gonna put the plastics on.
And we're gonna use some YouTube magic to do that.
Boom! There you go.
That is the final product.
How's it feel?
Awesome.
Yeah? Feels solid?
Wicked. Matches my shift knob nicely.
Yeah, it looks killer. Get the whole effect in there. Dude, that looks sweet.
Works super nice too.
Yeah,
I'm
again,
impressed. This is nice.
yeah, it looks super nice. We haven't had that many real hubs either, so seeing a hub or hearing a hub click like that is very satisfying.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. We're just ending it here on a lovely night, as you can see by our sky. Enjoying some of the last good weather that we're going to get. If you made it this far in the video, please leave a like or a comment, or honestly if you don't, either way, thank you very much for watching. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.